everyone, I'm Tiffany Domingeuz, owner and designer of Taudrey, and today I'm going to give you some at-home care tips on how you can clean your jewelry. So today I'm going to be talking about gold-filled jewelry, but depending on the material, whether it's something that's copper, stainless steel, sterling silver, or even precious jewelry, there are ingredients right in your kitchen cabinets that can polish up and clean your jewelry really well. But my favorite, and I feel the safest for gold-filled jewelry, is good old dish soap and water. So I have a bowl here with water at room temperature. I put about 2 pumps of dish soap in here and swirled it around to create some bubbles. I'm gonna take my Taudrey charm necklace. We're gonna dump it right in, swirl it around. This is just gonna go ahead and remove any scum or buildup that happens naturally over time. I love to take an old toothbrush, clean, especially between the links, really well. This works really well for items that are gold tone or gold plated. So once you feel you've scrubbed enough, you want to give it an extra little rinse. And the key and most important step is to dry the jewelry really well. We don't want any humidity, we don't want any moisture. That's what'll be really harmful. So we wanna make sure to dry it, grab any old kitchen rag that you have lying around, get in there, dry it really well. And look at this, good as new. I hope you can tell the shine there. Give you a little close-up. But I hope you have fun cleaning all that jewelry at home. Bye.